Hey there guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. So basically, if you are stuck, okay, on a white screen when you're trying to log in into Doordash, don't worry guys, I've got some easy solutions to get you back up and running in no time. So let's dive right in without wasting any of your time. So step number one, you actually start with the basics, okay? Close the Doordash app completely and just restart your phone, okay? Sometimes this simple action just clears, the temporary glitches causing the white screen, all right? Next, what you can do is you want to just check your internet connection. Ensure that you're actually connected to a stable Wi-Fi or, mobile data network. Okay, a weak connection can often prevent the app from actually loading properly. And next, guys, what you're going to do is just clear the app cache. So in Android, what you want to do is you want to go to settings, okay, use settings, and then apps, and just find Doordash and then just tap clear cache. And iPhone users actually just need to reinstall the app since iOS doesn't allow clearing cache directly. Okay, and the next thing you can try is just update the Doordash app. Okay, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if a newer version of Doordash is available. Updating often, fixes bugs and login issues. And if the problem still persists, guys, what you can do is you can try to, try using a browser. Okay, you just visit doordash.com, all right, and you just log into your account and check if everything works fine. This can help pinpoint if it's an app-specific issue. Finally, guys, what you can do is you can actually contact DoorDash support. If none of those steps worked, head to the help section on their website or app and report the issue, guys. And there you have it, guys. 6 quick fixes for Doordash, white screen, and login issues. And guys, if this tutorial was helpful, please like and make sure you comment. Let everyone know which step actually helped you, and subscribe, guys, for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.